Okay, good morning students. So, last class we discussed about the topic is open pipe and closed pipe. Okay, so closed already, open already discussed topic last class. Okay, so today discuss another topic is closed pipe. So first of all, so open pipe already in a last class, so that is called as a, we have taken the length of the pipe is L is taken length of the pipe. Open already last class discussion. So మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి ప్లస్ క్లోజ్ చెప్పేస్తాం. L is equal to lambda 1 by 2. L2 is equal to 2 lambda 2 by 2. L3 is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 2. So antinode, node, antinode. Okay. So what is the open pipe? So both sides open is called as a open pipe, and now we send the sound wave through the organ pipe or pipe, and it's get reflected by the earth, and incident wave and reflected wave. These two waves are superimposed or overlapping to each other and producing of the stationary waves along the length of the open pipe. Okay. So that means the length of the pipe is taken L. Okay. So the sound wave is sent through the pipe, that it get reflected by the some earth. Okay. And these incident wave and reflected wave here overlapping. Okay. Overlapping. So now discuss the harmonics. So the frequency ratio of the harmonics in open pipe. Okay. So this here name is of the first fundamental harmonic or first harmonic. Fundamental harmonic or first harmonic. This is called as a second harmonic and third harmonic. And this is called as another name is taken first overtone. This is second overtone. Okay. So length is taken lambda 1 by 2. L2 is equal or L is equal to 2 lambda 2 by 2. So L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 2. Now, so the first taken the fundamental frequency or the first harmonic frequency will have two antinodes and one node is formed. Okay, two antinodes and one node is formed along the length of the pipe as shown in this figure. Now, so the vibrating length. Okay, so the vibrating length L is equal to, okay, L is equal to taken, that is lambda 1 by 2, lambda 1 by 2. So lambda 1 is equal to L. We can write lambda 1 is equal to L. And so already the frequency ratio, the frequency equation, so nu is equal to V by lambda 1 is taken. So the fundamental frequency we can write nu 1. Okay, so the fundamental frequency nu1 is equal to V by lambda 1. So V by lambda 1, V by lambda 1. So that value substituting here. So we can write in another words also nu, equation 1. Okay, so this is called as a nu1 is equal to V by 2L is fundamental frequency. Okay, or first harmonic frequency. Okay, so nu1 is equal to V by air. So V means velocity of sound in air and L is the length of the pipe. And so now discuss the another pattern, that is called as the second harmonic and first overtone. Second harmonic containing of the 3 antinodes, okay, and 2 nodes. Okay, we will having 3 antinodes and 2 nodes are formed as shown in this figure. Okay, so now here the length of the pipe is taken. L is equal to 2 lambda 2 by 2. So 2 are cancelled. Lambda 2 is equal, L is taken. Okay. Now is according to the frequency equation. So the frequency nu 2 is equal to V by lambda 2. Okay, V by lambda 2, V by L. Okay, so that we can write 2 nu, equation 2. Now, so third one is taken, third harmonic frequency over second over. So third harmonic frequency, here the length is taken and 4 antinodes and 3 nodes are formed along the length of the pipe. Okay, so L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 2. L is equal to the vibrating length of pipe is taken. L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 2. Okay, so lambda 3 is equal to 2L by 3. 2L by 3. Now, so substitute in the frequency ratio. So nu 3 is equal to V by lambda 3. So nu 3 is equal to V by lambda 3. So substituting value 2L by 3. So nu 3 is equal to 3V by 2L. Okay, we can write 3 nu. So equation third. Okay, so L is equal to 3 lambda by 2, lambda 3 is equal to 2L by 3, nu 3 is equal to V by lambda 3, lambda 3 plus ఈ value substitute. So 3 cycle is 3V by 2L. So that equation we can write nu 3 is equal to 3 nu. So equation 1, V by 2L is equal to nu, V by L is equal to nu, 3V by 2L is equal to 3 nu. So the frequency ratio nu 1 is to nu 2 is to nu 3 is equal to nu is to 2 nu is to 3 nu. So that is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Harmonic ratio in a open pipe. Harmonic ratio in a open pipe. So that is the ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 3 taken. Okay. So if we consider the number of the harmonics, the ratio is extended. Okay. So next one we discuss the closed pipe. So the how to harmonics are formed in a closed pipe and so derive the or expression for the fundamental frequency or harmonics in a closed pipe. So first of all, what is the closed pipe? And one side is opened, another side is closed. So that is called as a closed pipe. Okay, just like. And second one is taken. Second one. Okay. So the length of the pipe is taken L. One antinode, one node is formed. Antinode, node, antinode, node. Antinode, node, antinode, node, antinode, node. Okay. L is equal to taken length of the pipe is taken. Length of the pipe lambda 1 by 4. Here taken L is equal 3 lambda 3 by 4. Okay. L is equal 5 lambda 5 by 4. Okay. So this is called as a first harmonic. Okay. So this is called as a third harmonic, not second harmonic. Third harmonic. This is called as a fifth harmonics. So first harmonic or the fundamental harmonic, and this is called as the third harmonic or first overtone. Fifth harmonic and also called as a second overtone. Okay. So names are L is equal to lambda 1 by 4, L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 4, L is equal to 5 lambda 5 by 4. Okay. So closed pipe. What is the closed pipe? So closed pipe means so one side open. That means so one side is open, another side is closed. Is called as a closed pipe. So the sound wave is sent through the pipe. Sound wave is sent through the pipe and is get reflected at the end of the pipe. So incident wave and reflected wave. Incident wave and reflected wave are traveling in opposite direction and overlapping to each other, producing of the stationary waves in a closed pipe. Okay, so the sound wave is sent through the pipe and get reflected by the end of the pipe. So overlapping these positions. Okay, so this pattern or the stationary waves are formed in a closed pipe. So the harmonic ratio are to find out. Harmonic frequency ratio. Frequency ratio. So this is called as a fundamental harmonic or a first harmonic. So the fundamental harmonic or a first harmonic will have how many notes or how many antinodes? So one antinode and one node is formed at least. Okay, so that means so at least fundamental frequency are formed at least one antinode and one node. So node is formed at the end of the pipe. Open at the antinode is formed. Okay, so all are observed to here. At open is taken antinode and end of the pipe is taken node. Okay, so here fundamental frequency or first harmonic frequency and second, third harmonic frequency or third harmonic. This is called as the fifth harmonic. Now first of all discuss the fundamental harmonic or first harmonic. So the fundamental harmonic, one antinode, one node will have it. Okay. So now first of all the length of the pipe is taken. Okay. So length of the pipe. So we can write the already we know that. So that value is lambda 1 by 4. L is equal to lambda 1 by 4. What mean of the L? L is called as a vibrating length or length of the pipe. Next, lambda 1 is equal. Lambda 1 is equal 4 into L 4L. Okay. So therefore, nu is equal to or nu 1 is equal to V by lambda 1. So V by lambda 1. So lambda 1 value substituting. Okay. 4L. So fundamental frequency or first harmonic frequency in closed pipe. So nu 1 is equal to V by 4L. So that equation 1. Okay. So that we can also nu. Okay. So second is taken here. Third harmonic or first overtone. Third harmonic or first overtone. Okay, first overtone. So that means third harmonic will have two nodes and two antinodes. Okay, and so third harmonic vibrating length is taken. L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 4. Okay, so cross multiplication lambda 3 is equal to 4L by 3. Okay, so the harmonic frequency nu 3 is equal to V by lambda 3. So V by lambda 3, so 4L by 3 substituting and 3V by 4L we get 3V by 4L. Now here equation, so nu 1 is equal to V by 4L, nu 3 is equal to 3V by 4L. So that we can write 3 nu, so equation 2. Okay, so V by 4L, 3 nu. Okay, we can nu. Okay, so we can write 3 nu. So next one, here taken, so fifth harmonic frequency over a second overturn. So fifth harmonic. Okay. So fifth harmonic over a second overturn. And so three antinodes and two nodes are formed along the length of the pipe as shown in this figure. So the vibrating length, so L is equal to 5 lambda 5 by 4. Okay. Lambda 5 is equal 4L by 5. So nu phi is equal to V by lambda. Nu phi is equal to V by lambda phi. So lambda phi value 4L by 5. So 5V by 4L. 5V by 4L. Okay. So here taken V by 4L nu. V by 4L. So here taken phi. Okay. So the harmonic ratio in a closed pipe. So the nu 1 is to nu 2 is to nu not nu 2 nu 3 is to nu 5 is equal to nu is to 3 nu is to 5 nu. So that is equal 1 is to 3 is to 5 ratio. 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay. So the harmonics are formed harmonic frequency ratio in a closed pipe 1 is to 3 is to 5. Good. Alright. So this is the total topic of the closed pipe. So how to form the stationary waves in a closed pipe? That get 1 mark, carry 1 mark. Okay. So next diagram 1 mark. So here solving of the 3 steps. First step, second, third. Each one 1 mark. Okay. So what is the definition of the closed pipe? 1 mark. Okay. So total 6 marks awarded. Okay, next one. So asking about fundamental frequency V by 4L. Okay. So given V is equal means the velocity of sound is given and L is the length of the pipe is given. To find out the or determine of the frequency ratio, fundamental frequency. Okay. Alright, nu 1 is equal V by 4L, but in a open pipe V by 2L. Okay. Next one, Doppler shift. Okay, Doppler shift. So, manaki Doppler so in syllabus Doppler effect and Doppler shift. Topics, 2 topics. But Doppler effect delete is Doppler effect. Doppler shift matram manaki ichesam. Doppler shift matram manam study cheyali. Doppler effect anedi delete is complete 8 marks question. Very important question and delete is. So Doppler shift matram manam study. So what is the Doppler shift? So Doppler shift means so due to the relative motion. So for example, the rail or rail engine or rail whistle, so approach to the person is standing on a platform. So the frequency, that is means the operant frequency. If operant frequency is greater than actual frequency. So for example, now here taken. So now here platform paina so man nilabadi unnam. Okay na? So train anadi approach avutundi. Okay? So ikkadiki platform మీద ఉన్నటువంటి person వద్దకు approach అవుతుంది. So that means so the frequency of sound is increasing. Okay? Compared to the actual frequency. అంటే so for example నేను ఇక్కడ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, స్టేజ్ పైన మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, మీరు వింటారు. నేను మాట్లాడుకుంటా మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ పెరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా? నేను మీ దగ్గర నుంచి దూరంగా వెళ్తుంటే ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అనేది తగ్గుతుంది. ఓకే అంటే సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as that is a relative motion. Relative motion means so one is constant, another is motion. So one is motion, another is constant. Okay, got it? So that is called as a relative motion. Relative motion means so for example ambulance is taken. So ambulance sound is approach. So the frequency of the sound is increasing actual frequency and is away from the, okay, so the operant frequency is decreasing actual frequency. Okay, so that is means so the difference between the actual and operant frequency is called as a Doppler shift. So Doppler effect, before topic is Doppler effect. Doppler shift and the degradation. Doppler shift. So Doppler shift means ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం చేస్తారంటే టూ కేసెస్ స్టడీ చేస్తాం డాప్లర్ ఎఫెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో ద ఫస్ట్ కేసు ఏంటి సార్ అంటే, సో మనకి ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇక్కడ ట్రైన్ అనేది అప్రోచ్ అవుతుంది అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి వ్యక్తి వద్దకి అప్రోచ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, సో అయితే అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఆపరెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అనేది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. ఆపరెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వైబ్రేషన్స్ ఫర్ 1 second. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వైబ్రేషన్స్ ఫర్ 1 second. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as a frequency. So the frequency is increasing. Okay, so ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి వ్యక్తికి, సో ఓకే, away from the observer. Okay, so away from the observer here taken the frequency is decreasing. Okay, actual frequency, actual is means నిజ. Okay, ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే ఆపరెంట్ మీన్స్ దృశ్య పౌనఃపున్యం అంటారు. Okay, so అంటే that means frequency లో something is change. ఓకే, సో దట్ మీనింగ్, సో ఇక్కడ నేను స్టేట్ మీద మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు మీరు వినే పౌనఃపున్యం, మీరు వినేటువంటి ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as the యాక్చువల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. నేను మీ దగ్గరికి వస్తున్నా అప్పుడు, సో ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఆపరెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. సో ద ఆపరెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్. ఓకే, సో అవే ఫ్రమ్ ది అబ్జర్వర్. మీరు ఒక అబ్జర్వర్ అనుకుందాం, మీ దగ్గర నుంచి మీకు నేను దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోతున్నా, అప్పుడు సో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అనేది డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే సో ఒకసారి ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది, ఒకసారి డిక్రీజింగ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ డిక్రీజింగ్ పక్కన పెడితే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as చేంజ్. ఓకే, చేంజ్. సో చేంజ్ ఇన్ ఏ ఆపరెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అండ్ యాక్చువల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as a Doppler shift. Operant free, the change in operant frequency and actual frequency is called as a Doppler shift. That means, okay, got it. So number of examples are the taken. So for example, train engine, okay, or ambulance sound, or whistle sound, okay, etc. Examples are the taken due to the Doppler shift. Here in a Doppler shift, two cases are studied. So the first case, here observer, okay, or listener, వినేటువంటి వ్యక్తి. Okay, observer is moving with velocity v0 towards the stationary source. Stationary source means stationary source, that is S. It is denoted by the S. Observer, it is denoted by the O. Okay, so the observer is moving with velocity v0 towards the stationary source. But Doppler effect means so the source is moving, but here observer is moving. Okay, so further discuss after. So first of all, here taken, so the stationary source is taken at a constant. Stationary means constant. Okay, stationary source, that is called as a Vs is equal to 0. Okay, velocity లేదు దానికి. That means అంటే that means ఎక్కడ అంటే ఒక అంబులెన్స్ అక్కడ ఉంది, అలాగే ట్రైన్ యొక్క సౌండ్ వినపడుతుంది, అక్కడి నుంచి వినపడుతుంది. ఓకే, నేనే మూవ్ అవుతున్నాను, ఇంతకుముందు నేను స్టాండర్డ్ ఉన్నాను డాప్లర్ ఎఫెక్ట్లో, బట్ డాప్లర్ షిఫ్ట్లో అబ్జర్వర్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే నేను వింటూ, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, మీరు నా దగ్గరికి వస్తారు, అప్పుడు నేను విన్నటువంటి మాట పెరుగుతుంది, మీరు నా దగ్గర నుంచి దూరంగా పోతున్నారు, మళ్ళీ తగ్గుతుంది. ఓకేనా, సో దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ అబ్జర్వర్ ఈజ్ మూవింగ్ with velocity is v0 towards the stationary source. Okay, stationary source. The case, the first case, So the observer is moving. The observer, it is denoted by the O. Okay, is moving with velocity is v naught towards the stationary source. So stationary source Vs is equal to 0. So this is the first case. So in this case, so the observer is moving towards the stationary source. So the number of extra waves is received. Okay, number of extra waves is received in each second. Got it? Number of extra waves is received in each second. And that means so ikkada prati second ఒక్కొక్క సెకండ్ కి number of extra waves తీసుకుంటాడు. ఎందుకు సార్ అంటే దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది కదా. Okay, so the number of the extra waves is received in each second. So the observer is moving. Observer is moving 1 second. The distance is taken is v naught. The observer moving in a distance. Okay, so that means so the observer will be received number of extra waves in 1 second. Okay, so here the observer is moving 1 second, distance is v naught. Number of extra waves is received is taken v naught by lambda. How to form? Here this is total lambda. Okay, lambda. So here the small distance, the observer is moving small distance in 1 second is v naught. Okay, small distance moving. Okay, so the number of extra waves is received in 1 second is v naught by lambda. V naught by lambda. Okay, now తగ్గుతుంటది డిస్టెన్స్ పోయినప్పుడు ఇది డిస్టెన్స్ దిస్ లైక్ v naught by lambda. ఒకటి ఇక్కడ అర్థం కావాలి. So first of all, the observer is moving towards the stationary source. So the number of the extra waves received in 1 second. Okay, so the moving in 1 second is v naught. So extra waves is received v naught by lambda. You can write in a mathematical form v naught by lambda. Total in the lambda. కొంత దూరం ట్రావెల్ చేయలేదా మీడియందా v naught by lambda. ఓకేనా, v naught by lambda. So now the frequency, operant frequency, this one second. Which definition? Doppler shift. Okay. So the observer is moving with velocity is v naught to stationary source. Okay, number of extra waves received in 1 second. Okay, number of extra waves అంటే అదనపు తరంగాల యొక్క సంఖ్యను తీసుకుంటున్నాం. Extra waves received. Okay, so 1 second distance is traveling is v naught. 1 second distance. The distance traveled by the observer in 1 second is v naught. The distance traveled by the observer received. So notes is parallel. Okay, received 1 second is v naught. Extra waves is received v naught by lambda. Okay, extra waves received. So here taken operant frequency, that is called as the nu dash is equal. Okay, here observe first of all, very important 8 marks question. So nu dash is called as a operant frequency. Okay, operant frequency nu dash. Nu dash means so for example change, nu dash means operant frequency means change frequency. Okay, ఇది మోదున దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది కదా, దగ్గరికి వస్తే చేంజ్ అవుతుంది nu dash. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు వినేటువంటి ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ యాక్చువల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as a nu. Okay, change nu dash operant frequency. Nu is actual frequency. Actual frequency is changing in the v naught by lambda. Extra this is v naught by lambda. Okay, nu dash is called as a operant frequency plus actual frequency. కొంత మూవ్ అయింది కదా, ఎంత కొంత మూవ్ అయింది. సో ఎంత కొంత మూవ్ అవ్వడం ఇంత ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకున్నాడు, ఇది యాక్చువల్. ఓకే, ఇవి రెండు యాడ్ అయితే సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ చేంజ్. ద చేంజ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ as operant frequency. So the nu dash is equal nu plus v naught by lambda. Okay, so V is equal to nu lambda. So lambda is equal to V by nu. We can write. Now we substitute in the equation. So we get nu dash is equal to nu plus V naught by lambda. V by nu. Okay. So nu dash is equal to nu plus V naught by V into nu. Okay. So the nu dash is equal to nu. We have taken 1 plus V naught by V into nu. Okay. So nu dash is equal to V plus V naught by V into nu. We have taken LCM. Okay. LCM cos of LCM V into V plus V naught by V. So why are you change the bracket? So because you here nu is called as a actual frequency. Nu dash is called as a operant frequency. But here inside of the bracket that is called as a velocities. Okay, velocities. So velocity V, velocity V naught, velocity V. So velocity V naught, everything observer. So the moving with some velocity. So V naught we can write. V velocity means not a source. Here source is a stationary source. Okay. V means so velocity of sound in air. Okay. There is a constant value 331 meter per second. V is called as a velocity of sound in air. Okay. V naught is called as a observer. Okay. So this is the total velocities are bracket in a bracket. So nu dash is equal to operant frequency. This is called as the actual frequency. Here we can write the conclusion. So nu dash is greater than nu. Okay. So that means operant frequency is greater than actual frequency. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వర్ మూవ్ అవుతుంటే అతను ఇక్కడ విన్నదానికంటే ఇక్కడ దగ్గరకు వస్తుంటే పెరుగుతుంది ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ అదే రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. సో ద nu dash is greater than nu. Okay, operant frequency is greater than actual frequency. So first of all, here taken, so the observer is moving with velocity is V naught. Okay, towards the stationary source. Okay, stationary source. So the observer is moving in each second, receiving of the extra waves. So for example, traveling in 1 second, so 1 second the distance is taken V naught, so number of extra waves is taken V naught by lambda, so the total is taken lambda. Okay, lambda, wavelength is taken lambda, so V naught by lambda is extra received. So here taken, so this is called as the operant frequency, actual frequency. Here V naught by lambda is taken extra. Okay, so these are equation, mathematical equation. So derived, so we that is the conclusion is taken. So the operant frequency is greater than actual frequency. Okay, actual frequency. Now in the here another case is taken. So observer is away from stationary source. Away from stationary source. Here taken V naught is cancelled. So V naught means the observer is away from the stationary source. Okay, so that means here taken, so the distance is V naught. Number of extra waves is losses or gain in before case, but here loss V naught by lambda. So that we can write in mathematical minus. Here also minus. Here also minus, minus. So minus. So this is called as a less than. Minus. Okay, so that means so the operant frequency is less than actual frequency. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు వినేటువంటి పౌనపున్యం ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ కంటే దూరం పోతుంది తగ్గుతుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ mathematical equation that is present చేస్తుంది. So the nu dash is less than nu. Okay, got it. So this is called as a Doppler shift in a two cases. In the two cases are studying, so the observer is moving, okay, towards the stationary source. Or so means or away also or lekunde so approach also duram also eట్లా also. So that means the two cases are studying in a Doppler shift. Okay, so very important 8 marks question. Okay, great. Thank you, students.